So, a little bit of news setting me back right now. I'm unable to get my Pro Tune and the TGV and the charge pipe put onto the vehicle because the simple fact MoFab is pretty much packed up right now. So, it's gonna set me back. So today really is gonna be me and the little one going out, just riding around. I need to wash my car, put some gas in the car, but I need to take care of Ree-ree because she's a little dirty right now. Let's do it. On to the car wash.
One eternity later.
a few things that I wanted to rant about was I went to Growl Fest. It was 2 weekends ago. Well, I get down there and you okay, babe? It wasn't anything like I thought it was going to be. Okay, so we finally made it. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little disappointed. It's not what I thought it was gonna be, but it's hot as a motherfucker. Bruh. So probably why we didn't get much of a turnout. And that's something that I've noticed a lot about the car shows here in the state of Colorado. People don't show up and they don't show out. Like, it's kind of like it's a little boring. Like, I don't get it. You know, I don't know if it's not a sanctioned event, like something that major players are sponsoring, that people have to show up, or if it's just people in the state of Colorado are too much of the outdoorsy Jeep. There's a lot of channels about that here, but there's not a lot of channels about, you know, people that are doing a lot of like mods to domestic cars, or even for that matter, any exotics. I've not seen any kind of exotic builds or anything like that. I mean, I would love to get into that game, but I don't got that capital right now. Not yet. But anyway, yeah, order another GoPro because I want to get more angles, be able to do more point of view, and have a camera while I'm talking. So hopefully that'll be in tomorrow. Get that. Pretty stoked about that. There's a family trip we're going back to Kansas. Now I've decided to step in and interrupt myself because I realize that I am ranting with no clear end in sight. You know, everyone goes through it. We all do it sometime. Rant on camera because there's absolutely nothing else to talk about. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to save you from my endless amount of just talking shit and cut straight to something that's more interesting. So Okay, that's all for the day, but I got more adventures to get into. Until then, like, comment. Why I say that backwards all the time. Like, subscribe, and comment below. Peace.